Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Instagram story restyle. Something went wrong, try again error problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection is working properly, and then go to settings option. Now scroll down and go to apps or apps management option. Now find Instagram from the app list. Just tap on Instagram and then go to storage option. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Go back. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store. Tap on search app. Search Instagram. From here update your Instagram apps. After completing update process, now open Instagram and then tap on profile icon. Now tap on three line icon. Now scroll down and go to help option. Tap on help option. Now scroll down and go to report a technical problem or report a problem option. Again tap on report problem. Now tap on include and continue. Here describe your problem in details. After describe your problem, now send your report. Just tap on send option. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.